Greetings from the Cherry Tree Walk on ever beautiful Roosevelt Island. And welcome spring to I Love New York. Here is a look at ever beautiful Roosevelt Island on an April afternoon during peak bloom. Very easy to get to Roosevelt Island to view the Sakura Matsuri Cherry Blossom Festival of I Love New York. Take the tram from Manhattan Island. It'll bring you right here to Roosevelt Island for $2.75. Walk over and you are right next to the cherry blossoms, and that is the 59th Street area. Only $2.75 to get yourself across the river. Now, when it is the actual day of the Sakura Matsuri Cherry Blossom Festival of Roosevelt Island, you will see lots more people here and performances. They bring in wonderful performers from Japan. Taiko drummers are here. And you will see people posing with the cherry blossom. Some people bring their cosplay look for an event. Others will just wear their favorite pink jacket. And we'll see a few people along the way doing something just very similar. Another popular thing is just to have a picnic underneath the cherry blossom trees. And here is some bright pink cherry blossom themed clothing for their photo op underneath the cherry blossoms. Wow, very beautiful. This is not the only place, though, where you can view cherry blossoms in I Love New York. If you were to keep heading down in this direction, Central Park has a Japan Day celebration right alongside of the cherry blossoms, as well as alongside of the Hudson River. There is a cherry walk in Riverside Park. And some of those trees are from the original 1912 trees that were given to Washington, D.C., that created the festival we now know as the National Cherry Blossom Festival. Cherry blossom trees were also given to Philadelphia. And some of those original trees still survive to this day. Prospect Park, Brooklyn also has a very popular event. Their Sakura Matsuri is easily also accessible by the 2-3 train to Eastern Parkway. And they happen at the same time of the year. Bicycle riding on Roosevelt Island is another great thing to enjoy. Now, if it's not cherry blossom season, it's still only $2.75 to get over here to Roosevelt Island. And there are concerts, cultural events, great places for riding your bike. And now a look of the cherry blossoms alongside of the tramway and the bridge. A sight to be treasured. Till next time, happy spring from ever beautiful I Love New York.